বাংলাদেশকে অস্থিতিশীল করার লক্ষ্যে যে বক্তব্য দিচ্ছে এই বক্তব্য থেকে তাকে বিরত থাকতে হবে। আদারওয়াইজ বাংলাদেশ জাতীয়তাবাদী দল উইল টেক অ্যাকশন and we will not be the tolerate, and we have a lot of endurance capacity. That's why till now we are awaiting to be the mark of this situation. So be careful, Rashid Pradhan. We will take action. If you do further any types of speech you will deliver, we will wait for yourself, and you will definitely be punished. The people, those who love BNP, those who love Tariq Rahman, those who love the Jia family in our country. So be careful, Rashid Pradhan. You are the so much stupid. The name of bastard, your name is the bastard. From yesterday, all people are saying you are the bastard Pradhan. You are the nasty Pradhan. You are the stupid Pradhan. There are a lot of definition of your name. So be careful, Rashid Pradhan. We will not be tolerate further if you deliver such types of speech. And you are the basic black sheep will be. So be careful, Rashid Pradhan. And it's our last warning, and we will take action from you and those who are giving you instigation, those who instigate yourself, and those who give you the payment. And because you are the paid agent, so we are waiting for you. You must control yourself. You must control your speech. You must deliver your speech properly in the manners of politics.